The art of being wise is knowing what to overlook. The greatest discovery of any generation is that a human can alter his life by altering his attitude. Act is if what you do makes a difference. It does. We are like sand in the sea, separate on the surface but connected in the deep. To change one's life, start immediately. Do it flamboyantly. No exceptions. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thoughts over another. Be not afraid of life. Believe that life is worth living, and your belief will help create the fact. If you can change your mind, you can change your life. The great use of life is to spend it for something that will outlast it. The deepest principle in human nature is the craving to be appreciated. Nothing is so fatiguing as the eternal hanging of an uncompleted task. Wherever you are, it is your friends who makes your world. We don't laugh because we are happy. We are happy because we laugh. Anything you may hold firmly in your imagination can be yours. Our view of the world is truly shaped by what we decide to hear. Begin to be now what you will be hereafter. Human beings, by changing the inner attitude of their minds, can change the outer aspects of their lives. There are no differences, but differences of degree between different degrees of difference and no difference.